Hi friends, Mrs. Walt here with our daily phonics lesson. Happy New Year, by the way. I hope everybody had a great winter vacation. Okay, so we're going to jump back into our newest syllable type, vowel R. And if you remember our signal for vowel R, I'm having trouble making that. Cross your fingers like a good luck symbol. Okay, so remember, we're going to be looking for the new syllable type that has a vowel followed by an R. Okay, so if we look at my first word again, find my vowel, and you see, it's followed by a vowel. So remember, this is not going to be closed. This is a vowel R, okay? We're going to say the sound U-R is going to say It's going to go on my yes side, okay? Next we have vowel followed by an R. Thank you for making that symbol. Okay, it is a vowel R syllable. So we're going to say It's going to say the sound So blur. Sounds like the real word blur, but it's spelled a little different. It's spelled with a U-R. Okay. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, hopefully you're shaking your head. No, not a vowel R. See, two vowels. So we have a vowel team here. This is going to be a fuug, not a vowel R. Find your vowel. Oh, follow all the way. What do you see? It's not a vowel R, is it? It's a silent E syllable. Hopefully you're saying to yourself, pa-own. Remember that when we see that silent E, the vowel says it's long vowel sound. Got a glare on my board. Oy. Okay. All right, next. You guys are getting so good at this. Find your vowel. It is followed by an R. Very good. So it's going to be a vowel R syllable. It's going to say Who's reading that word in their head? Hopefully they're saying dern. Very good. Oh, you wanted to say open, didn't you? Okay. But remember, it's a consonant LE, full. And it technically could look like an open syllable fully, but it's a consonant LE. It definitely is not a vowel R. Remember, we make that like box symbol consonant LE. Very good if you said closed. San. Very good if you said vowel R. A is a vowel. It's followed by an R. When A and R are together, they're going to say R. Like in the word R. It's going to go on our vowel R syllable side. Very good if you said open, vowel followed by nothing. Open syllable, it's going to say it's long vowel sound. U or oo, roo. Very good. If you're doing that vowel R syllable signal, it's going to say like in the real word sure. Sounds like the real word. When you say sure, it's okay. And that's not how we spell sure. Very good. You should have said two vowels together. That's a vowel team. That's going to say all. Remember that cute little puppy. All. Sog. Very good. Closed syllable. Vowel's going to say short sound. Skun. We're running out of room here on my board. Can you see my skun? Let's see what else we've got here. Vowel followed by an R. We have a vowel R our syllable type, it's going to say or, just like the real word or, or. Or is going to say or. So this word would be court, court. But that's not really how we spell. That sounds like the real word court, like I'm going to go to court and talk to the judge. Okay, this is not the real spelling. Okay, and last one. Awesome. You said, oh, I see an O and an R, so I know it's a vowel R. We've got a or sound in the middle. Orp, vorp. I know these are kind of hard to see. I'm trying to move it so you can see them better. All right, so let's just go through my cards. It's a little easier to read. So let's get ready and read through these. Get ready. Der. Good. Blur. Good. Fugue. So you should be signaling. Oh, very good. Pone. Good. Earn, dern. Full, or I would even take it as a flea, depending on where it was. So, full or flea. Very good. Closed. San. San. Good. AR says R. So, glar, glar. Good. Rue. Very good. Shh. SH says sh, sure. S, very good. Sog. Scun. Court. Anna. Vorp. Very good. All right, so my friends, your job is to practice your reading every day, and I want you to look for words that you come across that have that vowel R pattern, like in this real word. Shirt. Short, good. R, so art. Chart. Very good. Let's see. And one more. Let's go with another. Trying to throw in those digraphs. Sharp. Okay, so I'm going to leave you today with this, and make sure that your brain is thinking these different syllable types when you come across words you don't know or words you do know, and that way you'll understand why do we say it this way. All right, everybody have a wonderful day, and I will catch you later. Bye.